Okay, man. Let's go.
Hi guys, it's Lavz here. Today we're going back to Dublin, Ireland. It's been a while na hindi kami nakapag-travel, like almost 2 months. 2 months and a half. This month is September, supposed to be pa-fall na siya, autumn. Pero super maganda pa rin yung climate namin dito. We're now off to airport na, Borspool Airport. Here now sa airport, guys. We're waiting for boarding. I think that's our plane. Excuse me po. I think that's our plane over there. I think yan yung plane na namin. And we are now here at Amsterdam, guys. We have like a waiting time stopover here for like 5 hours. And now it is 6 na pala. 6 din. Yung flight namin is 9 pa. Nakakaloka. So later pa yon. So tinatakpan ko ulit yung aking pimples kasi yung nilagyan ko siya ng concealer, hindi siya masyadong natakpan. Talagang may scars pa talaga siya. Malayo, okay lang. Malapit. Klaro siya. We're here at Starbucks. Starbucks yun siya, guys. Starbucks, and dito yung waiting, parang tables nila. Sobrang laki ng Starbucks dito sa Amsterdam. And then, overlooking siya, palabas ng mga docking area. Docking area, parang kuan lang. Murag barko lang. Mga terminal ng mga airplanes. Tapos, may mga tables pa or restaurant sa baba. Yan. Yes, we have iced coffee pala. Mag-charge na rin ako kasi palobat na ako. Malamig na pala dito sa kanila, guys. Pagdating namin dito Amsterdam, yung hangin malamig na siya. Na weird lang kasi sa Kiev sobrang init pa. Parang summer pa doon. Gusto ko parang i-share sa inyo, guys, tong ano ko. What do you call this? Yung parang lip shiner gloss. Super ganda nito, guys. Glossy lang siya. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na gloss. Super ganda, guys. And I love it. Got this from Hong Kong. So, later, guys. Dito na pala kami sa hotel, guys. So, kararating lang namin. Bukas na siguro ako mag-room tour kasi pagod na catch. So, yeah, I'll see you again tomorrow. We're gonna stroll. Good morning, guys! Today is our first day here at Dublin. Wala kaming breakfast here sa hotel, so I'm just gonna make some coffee. But yeah, they gave us some free stuff. So, ito lang yung iinumin namin for breakfast. So, my husband's gonna have this Irish breakfast tea and I will have this instant coffee nila. So, tapos na yung ang aking ininit. Papakita ko pala sa inyo, guys, for quick lang yung how I pack our stuff. So, since pa-fall na siya, autumn na siya, so I usually just like most of the time I just pack like a neutral tawag neutral o yung isang color lang siya. So since we're just bringing always one luggage with us with my husband to estimate like 23 kilos, so I have to set like not so many kasi lagi kami nag-i-exist. So, this part, sa husband ko yun. This part is for my husband and itong part na to ay sa akin. So, mostly, I brought mine like all blacks, then brown, blacks, brown. Yung ganun lang siya. So, then, ito yung lalagyan, separate yung undies ng husband ko, and these are my undies here. And we got this medicine kit, and I bought extra shoes, and then yung sa mga cosmetics ko, ito lang, ito at don't forget to bring your vitamins with you, guys, because you need that one. So that's all lang. And then yung coats namin, I got extra bag here. Yung mga chargers ko is itong hand carry luggage. So, mostly, more on blocks para hindi siya madaling madumihan. Tsaka, easy lang siya ipalit-palit ng tops. You know what I mean. So, we have our lunch and that's the one. So cute. This is our lunch. Avocado, bacon. Yummers. So we are walking around. Where is this? Bulls Bridge area, yeah. Tapos ang ganda-ganda ng mga kahoy nila dito, guys. Yung mga structure din ng mga pa-building nila dito. Yun, oh. It's weekend today. It's Sunday. Walang tao. Pero crowded siya sa mga cafes at mga kakainan. You can check at Carol's if you want to buy gifts and souvenirs. They have plenty and cool items to choose from. This is everyone's favorite, the shopping center of Dublin. It's the Grafton Street. Passing downtown now. We're going to the park. This is the Guinness Storehouse, which is the brewery experience telling tale of Ireland's famous beer and tasting. We made it to museum, guys, so we are now about to enter, but we're just gonna break for like a few minutes lang kasi we've been walking for like an hour from downtown to this area. Inaanan namin paano pa pasaka pa mountain siya, so which is nice naman kasi we reached our goal, 10,000 steps for a day. Yeah, so ito yung museum, yan yung entrance there, so we're gonna enter. Back sa hotel, guys. Sorry if today yung pagsustroll namin, it was not so much. I was not feeling well because I have my period today, just first day. It's now 8:30 na ng gabi, guys, so we just ordered food from downstairs sa hotel, so hindi na kami lumabas, so we just ordered. Ito yung dinner namin here. Oh, they even have lots of choices of sauces, so we just got the same soup. Yung soup nila is with bread na siya. It's actually a vegetable soup. Yan lang. Same as my husband. And then we ordered cheesecake also. So ito lang yung dinner namin. Not so heavy but healthy. Chas. Kain tayo, guys. Masarap yung soup, actually. Soup. See you again for tomorrow's vlog. Day 2. Day 2 natin dito. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Good night. Hit you with that